Welcome to Don Carinderia series. So I have owned my oven for more than 10 years now, and it's only today that I get to cook using the rotisserie part. Join me guys as I cook the rotisserie chicken. Let's start cooking! Before we handle any food, it's very important to wash our hands. I bought this wonderful soapier hand wash from Centella. They've got scents from fragrances that we love like Jo Malone, Lonva, Dolce & Gabbana, and others. You can order one today from my friend Titas. I included in the description the link to her website. Let's continue our preparation. So for this recipe, we'll be needing one whole chicken, and I only trust Magnolia. Using some paper towels, we need to pat our chicken dry. I already cut one lemon into wedges, and we will be inserting them into the cavity of the chicken. What's gonna happen is that when your chicken is rotating inside the oven, the lemon juices will flow into your chicken, and that is good. Using a kitchen twine, we're gonna tie up our chicken, the arms or the wings, and the legs. Don't forget this step. We don't want our chicken to flap its wings while cooking. After securing the wings, let's go for the legs. Legs checked. Now this is the fun part. We're gonna massage our chicken with salt and pepper. If you want, you can add different herbs and spices. Actually, it's better to do this before tying up your chicken. Make sure that you're applying the dry rub to every nook and cranny. At this point, you may preheat your oven to 250 degrees Celsius. Insert the oven fork gently into the cavity of the chicken. To secure the chicken, we need to fasten the braces on both ends. Cook your chicken for 1 to 1.5 hours. The cooking time depends on the size of your chicken. Every now and then, check your chicken. After 1 to 1.5 hours, get your chicken out of the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes. This chicken is best served with your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy your rotisserie chicken. Hindi mo ikat. Welcome to Don Carinderia series. Today is a very special day. I won't be doing any cooking. Instead, I'll give you my first unboxing video, and it features Joseph Nest Utensils Plus. I'm a huge fan of Joseph. I love their aesthetics. And just to give you a background on the product, it's founded by the twin brothers Richard and Anthony. It's an English brand. Their products are very pleasing to look at. They're very colorful, but very durable. The chopping boards that you see in my cooking videos, they're also from Joseph. And they're like 8 years old now. So they really last a long time if you take good care of them. The box contains 5 utensils plus the stand, and I know you're pretty excited to see them. Let's do this now. I won't be doing any Matteo Guidicelli style of unboxing, so don't you worry. If you want to know where I bought this, I got this from SM. So there's one near our place, so I bought it for like 2,000 plus. We're looking at now a preview of the utensils. The inspiration could be the rainbow colors. Let me take them out carefully. I like that the design has a stand, so it's very space saving. You can put it on the kitchen counter and it looks really nice. The Nest Utensils Plus contains 5 utensils plus the stand. Let's go through each one of them one by one. First on the list is this red number. It's a spatula, so if you're frying meat, if you're sauteing your aromatics, you can use this. I like that the utensil itself is lightweight and it won't bother you if you're gonna be cooking for a long time. This spatula has holes, so less oil for your food. Our next utensil is this orange guy, and it's called the spaghetti claw or the fork. It has a hole in the middle, so if you want to drain your pasta or if you want to measure your dry pasta, you can also use it for that. Our third utensil is the slotted spoon, and it has the color of the year, yellow. This yellow member is perfect for blanching your veggies. Second to the last is this green guy, and it's our solid spoon. You can use this for sauces. One example where you can use this is when you're making your spaghetti sauce. And last but not the least, we have the ladle. We Filipinos love to cook soupy dishes like sinigang, tinola, bulalo, and this is just what we need. This ladle has a surprise. If you look closely, you can see there is a measurement for 25 ml. That is equivalent to 2 tablespoons to 125 ml. That is half a cup. I also love that the handle has magnets so they stick together wonderfully. It has a small note for care and use. So it says dishwasher safe and do not leave utensils in cookware whilst cooking. To prevent staining, avoid using with strong colorants such as turmeric. So don't use these utensils when you're cooking something with turmeric. I don't have my friend's Donny Ray's spinning table, so I wish I could present to you the Nest Utensils Plus on that. But that's it, guys. My first unboxing video for Joseph Nest Utensils Plus. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.